Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to show you videos of various accidents where only a few people luckily survive and some people's cars crash and their good fortune is that they avoid a major loss of life when some of these drivers deliberately cause others to have accidents on the wrong track. So, yes, let's watch today's video. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and dashcam footage in the future. So friends, you can see in this video that despite the red signal, cars are speeding and crossing the line, and fortunately they avoid an accident. And you can see in this video how these two cars are drifting on the road and narrowly avoid a major accident. You can see this car, friends. He crosses the line at such speed, and yes, you can see in this video that another car comes and runs the red signal. So for this kind of fun videos, do subscribe to our channel. So friends, this is car parking and the car goes out of control while parking. The car then ends up in another lane. And this also avoids an accident. And friends, this you can see in the video that it crosses the line at a very high speed. And you can see that the dashcam behind it avoided the accident. Friends, this is a city where you can tell which way a vehicle is going, but if you follow the road signals, you avoid accidents. This is a dashcam footage. This car, he brakes the signal and goes ahead, and you will see what happens next. There too, many accidents happen, and this footage is of those who repeatedly escape from them. Friends, you can see this truck after it crosses the line. When it comes in reverse, the other truck goes out of control and crashes, but there is no loss of life. And friends, you can also see that they passed through here following the traffic signal. And now check the work of the car with the dash cam. Friends, this is speeding ahead and narrowly avoids a significant crash. Such incidents keep happening today. You can see this car on the left side. It's a black lady's car that doesn't follow the signal and moves ahead. After rushing forward, you can now check how it comes into the other lane and moves out. और ये भी एक क्रैश से बच के निकल जाती है। दोस्तों, ये भी आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ भी रीवो गाड़ियाँ जा रही हैं। जिस गाड़ी में डैश कैम लगा है, ये भी अपने स्पीड से जा रहा है, और इससे आगे वाली जो गाड़ी है, ये आप देख सकते हैं। स्पीड की लाइन से गुजरने के बाद ये भी बच जाता है किसी हादसे से। अब मज़ीद देखते हैं कि आगे क्या होता है। दोस्तों, ये रात का टाइम है और यहाँ पे रेड सिग्नल लगे हुए हैं, तो ये गाड़ी आप चेक कर सकते हैं। लेफ़्ट साइड पे ये सिग्नल फॉलो नहीं कर रहे और ये आगे निकल रहे हैं, और आगे जो ही देखते हैं कि पुलिस वाले गाड़ी आकर इनको सिग्नल देता है और ये अपनी लाइन तब्दील करके दूसरी लाइन में चली जाती है। और इसी दौरान एक दूसरी गाड़ी भी पुलिस के होते हुए भी सिग्नल फॉलो नहीं करती और आगे निकल के चला जाता है।